Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And I don't mean to state the obvious here, but this one got totally beat down today, but a very, very interesting scenario going forward because of the final 30 minutes. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes, so you can see the last 30 minutes of the day, massive volume came pouring in and got a nice green candle there. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price, got absolutely beat down throughout the course of the day, then all of a sudden had this surge of buying volume came in with the green candle, does not mean that for sure the price is 100% guaranteed to just skyrocket in the upwards direction. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce on Friday? No, that would not be shocking at all. But again, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that, it is for sure going to happen. But at least right now it's logical. Case in point, when the charts still look like this, and if I was sitting here saying, hey, look, this thing could potentially bounce. I mean, look at this sign of strength. This thing very well could bounce on Friday. You'd be 100% justified to say, what are you talking about? Why would you say it's going to bounce? It's literally just going straight down. But that's why that final 30-minute changes things up so much. So in the event this is some sort of leading indicator and there's a bigger bounce to occur, let's talk about some of these key areas of resistance that the price will have to fight through. Initial level of any sort of bounce is actually going to get underway, going to be right up here at $5.85, and if $5.85 can be broken, the next level after that seems to be right up there around $6.25, give or take a little bit. But there's definitely a lot of upwards potential here if this is the start of something bigger. That's kind of the catch-22 in a good sense is, yeah, that level was was an absolutely brutal movement, but that does create some relatively nice spaces if there is any sort of attempted movement to the upside. And, any way you look at it, the final 30 minutes, there's quite clearly an attempt that's going on. Is this attempt going to gain any sort of traction and momentum? Nothing can tell you that. But the chart is definitely telling us that apparently the bulls are putting on their hard hats and getting ready to come for Friday. So let's see how it plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.